Hello students, welcome to Vidyanest. In this doubt clearing class, let us start with this sum. To manage this sum, you have to recall one shortcut trick. See, it came in 2016 JEE. So, hope you understand the importance of this sum.
Yes.
Understand? See, I'm just reminding you one trick. What is that trick? Suppose you have got x tends to a, fx to the power gx, x tends to a, fx to the power gx. Now, if you put directly a in place of x, then you have to examine whether you have got this thing or not, 1 to the power infinity. Suppose you have put a, you are getting 1, you are putting a in place of x, you are getting infinity. If so, then the result will be okay. So if you follow this trick, the sum will be so simple, and by 2-3 minutes you can manage this. Let us examine according to that principle. And if you want to do this with conventional method, taking log to both sides, then log 1 plus x tends to 0, log 1 plus x by x. So it will encroach valuable time of yours in exam. So what will you do? P 1 plus tan square root x 1 by 2x directly you put x is equal to 0. Calculation to be done inwardly. ठीक है, हम x की जगह में 0 पुट कर दूं. अच्छा, 0 प्लस क्यों दिया? Why 0 plus is given? Because there is root x. There is root x. So had it been 0 minus, means negative side of 0, then under root we would have got a negative number that would give you imaginary number. So 0 plus, that is the significance of 0 plus. So if you analyze each by each line, then the sum will become so simple and interesting also.
Okay, sir.
See, now if I put 0 plus tan 0, tan square 0 is 0, 1, 1 by 0 infinity. So it attains that form 1 by 1 to the power infinity if I put x is equal to 0 directly. Then and then the gx will be brought out. Here what is gx? 1 by 2x. One by 2x will be brought out. And what is fx? This is fx. Fx minus 1. Once you get this result, the sum will be so simple for you. See, that 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Tan root x whole square, tan square root x. And that too, 1 by 2 is brought out. And instead of this x, you write root x whole square. Okay? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So what formula to be followed here? Basic formula of limit. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, 1. So here half into 1 square. Up. Now you observe, does it match with any option? Yes, option A. Is it that much of tough? No, I
No, sir.
think. Good. If you have any doubt anywhere, ask me.
No, sir. No
No.
doubt in this problem.
Okay. Next up. See, it came in April 8, 2023, semester 1. This sum is related to polynomial. Polynomial you are taught in board level in class 10, irrespective of any board. And but its advanced version is there in IIT or any competitive level. See, taking reference from that level, we have to do this. First of all, see, basic concept of cubic polynomial we will use. What we are taught in class 10, suppose this is a cubic polynomial given. I am just reminding you. As the power of x is 3, that means the polynomial has 3 roots. It has 3 roots. Sum of the root minus b by a. ठीक है? Product of the roots means roots in pair. AB alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, C by A, and alpha beta gamma minus D by A. This is the relation between the roots. We are taught in class 10, though in CBSC, in currents, few days back, it was excluded, but 2-3 years back, it was included. Other boards, you are supposed to taught. So this is the relation between the roots of a cubic polynomial. Now the question is, how does it help us in defending this sum? Here, the polynomial is given x cube plus bx plus c is equal to 0, has 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. So which term is missing here? That square term is missing here. So for the sake of calculation, you can introduce 0 into x square. It has 3 roots. So alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a. What is b over here? 0. C by a. What is C? C is b. Ax cube, bx square, cx plus d. Hope you could follow.
Yes, sir.
And alpha beta gamma minus d by a. Here d is what? C. These result we have got. Now, here one result is given. Beta gamma. Beta gamma is 1. Beta gamma is 1 minus alpha is also 1. If you get minus alpha and beta gamma, you just choose these values and place here. In place of alpha, you put alpha 1. Minus alpha 1 means alpha minus 1. Okay? And beta gamma plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So from both sides, I can drop what? I can cancel minus. That gives us C is equal to 1. So in this polynomial, out of two unknown coefficient B and C, one coefficient is known to us now. C is 1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, what would be our next step? So beta gamma is 1. Now we have to find the value of B. See, here beta gamma 1. So in this relation, B involved where? In this relation. In this relation, B involved. So in place of B, I can put, in place of beta gamma, I can put 1. So alpha beta will remain unaltered. Instead of beta gamma, I can put 1. Instead of gamma alpha, no change, is equal to B. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means instead of beta gamma, that value 1 is placed, nothing else. Now, you do one thing. From these two, you can take what common? From these two, you can take alpha common. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. If so, then what will be left in the bracket? Beta plus gamma. Beta plus gamma will be left in the bracket. And plus 1 already we had is equal to B. Now beta plus gamma is what? We have alpha plus beta plus gamma. So beta plus gamma is minus alpha. Minus alpha. So instead of beta plus gamma, you can write minus alpha. Okay? So I can write, already we have alpha. Instead of beta plus gamma, minus alpha plus 1 is equal to B. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, alpha into alpha minus alpha square. How to find minus alpha square? We had a value alpha minus 1. So alpha square is 1. So here you put 1. So B will be 0. So in this polynomial, where two terms we found unknown have B and C, that is, are known now. C we already got 1 and B we have already got 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see how the simplification can be done with this polynomial. Just observe. Polynomial is x cube plus bx plus c. Let bx is equal to x cube plus bx plus c is equal to 0, in which we have just got b 0 and c 1. So it becomes x cube 0 into x plus 1. Once you get that, x cube, 1 minute just. So, you have got x cube is equal to minus 1. Or better, you write in this way. X cube plus 1, 0. One junior level formula. Hope you can memorize. A cube plus b cube formula. याद है? A cube plus b cube. A plus b. A square minus ab plus b square. So x का एक वैल्यू मिल गया -1, और if you solve it, x will be minus omega and minus omega square. So already we have had alpha. This is alpha -1, beta minus omega, gamma minus omega square. Understand? Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
So all these values which we have just derived, we'll put one by one. See the outcome. You just go through at a glance. How did I start? Again, I'm just explaining in short span. There is the polynomial x cube plus bx plus c 0. Now, to compare with general equation of a cubic polynomial, I have written x cube plus 0 into x square plus bx plus c. Seeing the power 3, we have comprehend that it has 3 roots alpha, beta, gamma. How those 3 roots are related? Using this concept, alpha plus beta plus gamma 0, where beta plus gamma minus alpha. Two values are given in the question, minus alpha 1, beta gamma 1. So, in last result, alpha beta gamma, that beta gamma's value will be placed. Beta gamma is 1 and alpha minus alpha 1 means alpha minus 1. From there, we have got C1. Now, I had chosen this relation, alpha plus beta plus gamma. So, beta plus gamma is minus alpha. How does it help us? Here you see in the second equation where b is involved, I have written instead of beta gamma 1. Alpha beta remains unchanged. Gamma alpha remains unaltered. Now this one is kept as usual. From these two you choose a take alpha common, beta plus gamma will be left inside the bracket. What is beta plus gamma? Minus alpha. So it is minus alpha square plus 1 is equal to b. So if minus alpha 1, alpha square is 1. So put here beta 0. Once beta 0, b 0. So px polynomial, here b0 c1. So the whole polynomial is reduced to a simple term x cube plus 1 0. So by the concept of cube root of unity, board level concept, we have got three values of x. One is minus 1, minus omega square. Okay. In cube root of unity, we got x, omega square. Here minus y, because there is a minus sign persist. So alpha, beta, gamma are derived. Now you see that result, b cube 2 c cube 3 alpha cube 6 beta cube, 8 gamma cube. B's value 0 you have already got. C 1 cube. Alpha minus 1. Beta, where is beta? Beta minus omega, I think. Beta we have taken minus omega. Beta gamma minus omega square. Okay. So all the values are derived and placed. Could you follow up to this stage?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yes, that's good. 2, 1 cube is 2. Minus will be brought out 3 minus omega cube. The minus will remain. So it has become plus 6 omega cube plus 8 omega to the power 6. Omega cube is what? In complex number, omega cube is always 1. So 2 plus 3, 6 into 1, 8 into 1 square. So 5. All the numerical values is now waiting for us. 14, 17, 19. Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Is it that much of tough? No, I think if you
No,
go
sir.
with logic and formula, easily we can crack and terminate. This sum, it came in 2022 semester 1. See, in those who have no, doesn't have any knowledge of defending JEE level sum, those who will defend this sum with conventional method, they will be taking general equation of trigonometry. But here, if you draw graph, your purpose will be solved. What is that graph? First of all, you draw cos x, then mod cos x. First, I will draw mod cos x. See, you know the graph of cos x. Cos x's graph you know. See, this is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. You can ask me why you are mentioning all this on x-axis, because here you see the domain is given minus 4 pi to plus 4 pi. Understand? So I have to stretch x-axis up to 4 pi. The same will be done in the negative side. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. See, symmetry. Symmetrically, you extend it in the left hand side of the origin. Minus 7 by 2, minus 4 pi. So that interval on this graph is covered. Now you draw cos x's graph first. That cos x's graph you are taught even in board level. So simple, like a wave. In right hand side and left hand side, it will follow the symmetry. Okay. But here, merely cos x is not asked. What is asked? Mod cos x. That means negative part will be going to the upper portion, positive side. Where is that negative part? Negative side, this part. So that will have image above x-axis. This part has image above x-axis. This part has image above x-axis, above x-axis. So the graph stands where the the trimmed part, the part which is trimmed will be disappeared from the board. Okay, let us graph this part. See, the trim part is disappeared. Hope you could follow. This is mod cos x graph. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now sin x. Simple graph sin x. At pi by 2 it is 1. Let us use different color. It will become prompt. Pi by 2, pi by 2 pi. This is plus 1, minus 1, 2 pi. Carefully you observe the graph. This is sine graph in right hand side of the origin. Understand?
Understood, sir.
Now let us draw the same in the left hand side. Okay? Yes or no? Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Now you observe in how many points they intersect each other. See, 1 point, 1.2. You also count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So how many solution? 8 solution. So to defend this sum, you need not have to go through big trigonometry formula. Just plot the graph, get the solution. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, very good. Wait for a while. Let's do one sum. regarding circle. Just you go through the sum at a glance. Have you gone through?
Yes, sir.
See, two circles intersect in 2 points. Two circles like this. Then the line 5x plus Py minus A is equal to 0 passes through P and Q. So that is called in mathematically common chord. Common chord. PQ is the PQ, that is 5x plus Py minus A is equal to 0 is the common chord. Now, by calculation, how will you get that? How will you get that common chord? Circle 1. This is circle number 1. Circle number 2. Now, common chord, how to find? To subtract one circle from other. This part will get cancelled. You will get 5x plus C minus D into Y plus A plus 1. Is equal to 0. So this is common chord. This is also common chord. Is the equation of common chord. So this line and this line must be identical. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, or same line, identical. So therefore, this is equal. Let us level it by 1 and level it by 2. So 1 and 2 must be identical. Therefore, 5a is equal to 5, C minus D is equal to B, A plus 1 is equal to minus A. Cancel it. A is equal to 1, and from here A is equal to minus half. So by comparing what we have got, see, you now match with the answer given above. Exactly one value of A. No, I have had two values. One option 1 will be correct, incorrect. No value of A, incorrect. Infinite values of A, incorrect. Exactly two values of A, correct, because I have got two values of A. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Good. Now one sum based on limit. Just go through at a glance. See, have you gone through it?
Yes, sir.
Now to defend this sum, you must have to know the expansion of e to the power x minus x and sin x. For your convenience, I am writing those expansion. See what is those. E to the power minus x. Sin x. So these three expansion has important role in solving this problem. Now, how to use that? Limit which is given. Now, if you look at the sum, at first one thing will knock at your door, that the limit is finite. Why? Because limit is equal to 2/3. So it must have a finite value. Now, second thing is, if I put x is equal to 0 directly, in denominator we will get 1 0. So it is possible to remove this sin square x from denominator. How to remove? You do one thing. You divide numerator and denominator by x cube. So you will get what? This part will be nullified. Why? Because we know limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So denominator sin square x is removed. So one step reduction or simplification is done. But still now, if I put 0, I will get 0 by 0 form, or something by 0 form. I will get 0 in the denominator. So we cannot put x is equal to 0 directly. Then what to do? How shall I proceed? Right hand side is finite. If I put 0 in denominator, I will get 0. That will give you infinite. So I have to borrow these formulas which we have written aside. These formulas you write. Observe carefully. Alpha instead of e to the power x, 1 x by factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, x cube by factorial 3, x to the power 4 by factorial 4, and so on. Plus beta 1 minus and plus gamma by x cube. That is nothing but what? That is equal to 2/3 given in the question. Yes or no? Just go through at a glance. If you have any doubt, ask me.
No doubts.
Good. Now, if I put x is equal to 0, I will get 0 in the denominator and numerator a constant term alpha plus beta. So that will be undefined, infinite, but right hand side is finite. So let us separate the constant term. Alpha plus beta are kept separated, means without x. Now you separate where x is involved. See, x, here 1x, here 1x. Now you separate x, coefficient of x, alpha by factorial 1 minus beta by factorial 1 plus gamma. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now where x square is involved, see, alpha into x square by factorial 2. Then beta by factorial 2. Now cube, we could proceed up to cube. But cube onwards means power from 4 onwards we will not take, because that will be directly 0. Why? I am telling you. Now x cube involved in which part? X cube alpha by factorial 4 minus, sorry, factorial 3 minus beta by factorial 3 minus gamma by factorial 3. Now next onwards is x to the power 4 something by x cube. X to the power 4 something. So x to the power 4 will be omitted. Why? Because that x to the power 4 into something, if you divide by x cube, that will be some multiple of x. And in place of x, if you put 0, the whole thing will be turned into 0. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So you separate alpha plus beta by x cube plus x factorial 1 is 1 plus alpha factorial 2 is 2 by x cube plus x cube by x cube factorial 3 is 6. 6. Later part, this by this means x into something will be 0 as x tends to 0. ये जो पार्ट है x to the power 4 into something by x cube, तो वो तो कट के x into something देगा. x के जगह में अगर 0 पुट करूं तो पूरा 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है? लेटर पर 0. ठीक है?
हाँ सर.
Now here x क्यूब तो कैंसिल हो गया. यहां पे कैंसिल होके एक्स स्क्वायर आया, x आया. Now what to do? Right hand side is finite, but left hand side infinite. Why? Because if I put 0, some constant by 0 undefined, constant by 0 undefined, constant by 0 undefined. So what will you do? So to make it finite, this thing must be 0. To make left hand side finite, alpha plus beta must be 0. Then you can ask me one thing. You can raise finger against me. Yes, you are contradictory saying alpha plus beta अगर 0 हो जाए, नीचे भी 0, 0 by 0 तो infinity. But here देखो, ऊपर 0, नीचे जो आ रहा है, ये है about to 0. Exactly 0 नहीं है. 0 by would be 0 is 0 itself. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
तो ये 0, इसको भी 0 होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज अनडिफाइंड हो जाएगा. और ये तो इसको भी 0 होना चाहिए. तो ये जो चीज अगर 0 हो गया तो बचेगा क्या? ओनली दिस, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 2/3. देखो ठीक से. ओके.
हाँ सर.
नाउ here you these two depicts the same thing, alpha plus beta 0. So from here we can write alpha is equal to minus beta. So instead of minus beta, you put alpha plus alpha, gamma is equal to minus 2 alpha. So you replace those things. Here LCM is 6. Alpha minus beta minus gamma is 2/3. Alpha will remain like that. Minus beta is what? Alpha again. Gamma is what? Minus 2 alpha.
Okay.
So 4 alpha by 6, 2/3. Cancel. Alpha is 1. Once you get alpha, then gamma will be minus 2. Once you get alpha and gamma, beta will be minus alpha means minus 1. So alpha, beta, gamma are known to us. Now you see what we are told to find. We have to alpha, beta. Now 4 options to be examined, and we are not told to find the correct option. We are told to find which is incorrect. Alpha we have got 1, alpha 1, gamma minus 2, and where is beta? Beta minus 1. Alpha 1, beta minus 1, alpha 1, beta minus 1, gamma minus 2. So these values are found. Now see, does it satisfy first option? Yes, 6. So this is correct option, but we here incorrect option will be considered as correct option. So I will not take this because this is correct option. Now alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2 into 1. So we'll get what? Minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Cancel. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha plus 1, 0. So we cannot opt this option also, because that is also correct option. Here we are told to find incorrect option. So this one, alpha beta square, beta gamma square, gamma alpha square plus 3, alpha 1, beta minus 1, beta square 1, minus 1, 4, gamma alpha square minus 2, 1 plus 3. Let's see the outcome. Alpha beta square, alpha 1 beta square, that is 1, beta gamma square minus 4, gamma alpha square, and alpha was what? 1 plus 3. So 4 minus 6 minus 2, not matching. So that is one probable answer. And what about the fourth one? Fourth one, you see, alpha square minus beta square plus gamma square. Alpha square, what is alpha? 1. What is beta? Minus 1. Beta square minus 1. This is 4. Yes, that is also correct. Correct means matching. Only one thing which is not matching, that is 3. Got it? Option 3 correct. But correct means here incorrect. Incorrect answer is considered as correct. Okay?
Okay, sir.